Hi guys, it's Sharon from Love Lady Luxe and welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute and that's what I say every single time I come back and film a video. If the camera is a little bit like wonky, out of focus, give me a break. It's been like over 2 years since I filmed anything, and even then in my bedroom it's not really set up to be filming. But it's Halloween and that's when I come out of the woodwork. I'm like Mariah Carey, but instead of Christmas, it's Halloween. I'm going to be filming a video. It's 1 week from when I think most people are holding their Halloween parties, but I'm going to a Halloween party tonight. And we're going to be going as Lady Beetlejuice. I think I'm just going to start with my eyes. I do have a wig, but I don't know if I'm going to commit to it. We'll get to that at the end. I'm just going to start with my eyes first. I think it'll be easier to clean up afterwards. And it's going to be a pretty like messy eye makeup. Without further ado, let's get stuck into it. Taking Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. I'm just going to put it on both of my eyes and then we're going to blend it out because we're definitely doing a very dark smoky eye. I'm just going to like wing it out a little and then just kind of connect that a little bit above the socket. I'm going to smoke under my eye, but I'm not going to connect it the whole way because it's going to close off my eye here, and it doesn't matter that it looks like shit right now because we're going to blend this out. So I'm taking a really fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go through the socket. You can see how that already blended it out so quick, so I definitely highly recommend a big fluffy brush for this. And if you get oily eyelids, I would use a primer. Mine tend to not. It really just depends on the weather. And I'm just gonna darken it a little bit more. We lost some of that pigment with me blending it out. I really want it nice and deep and dark, but we're definitely gonna be adding eyeshadow on top of this, so it doesn't need to be like too perfect, too dark. Next I'm taking another Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is a purple. I think this is in the shade Vice. I'm just going to put that like towards the inner corner through to the middle. I really want the inside to have a little bit of a lightness, a little bit of a lift. I'm taking the Katya palette by Trixie Cosmetics. I'm going to be using these two shades the most. So I'm just going to dip into Amplitude. I'm going to go back to my Gina Birch mirror, also from Trixie Cosmetics. So I'm just going to stamp this on through the crease. My brush again and blend this out. And now that it's giving Julia Fox, I'm going to go in with a very small flat packing brush. This is Plank. And I'm really going to like load it up and just pat that on. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So pretty. And because we're patting this on, we're not disturbing that base that we've created along this lower lash line. And we're going to take it a little bit closer to the inner corner. I'm going to go back through the crease just to add a little bit more depth. I'm going to take a bit of Micellar cleansing water and a cotton swab and clean this dog's breakfast up. Okay, so that's all cleaned up. If you're looking at this being like, what the fuck? I promise you, stick around to the end. It's going to get good. It always looks like shit at this point. And anybody that has done their eyeshadow first and has done like costume makeup or like drag makeup, anybody that's watched a Trixie video knows that it looks like absolute shit before it looks good. I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Face Base. Just taking about this much. A little bit goes a long way. Going in with Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige. And I'm just going to refine where I want to conceal and like lighten certain areas. Going in with my Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette. I'm going to be using eyeshadow as my contour. These have the cool tones that I need to contour. It's going to be a pretty aggressive contour. The two darkest browns going up the jawline. This is a Tarte, I think it's meant to be an eyeshadow brush, but I never use it for eyeshadow. I always use it for contour because I like that you can really get in there and chisel things. A darker brown, and I'm going to mix a little bit of the black in there and then deepen this contour. Because it's meant to be like hollowed out, and I'm definitely fluffy. My Kat Von D loose setting powder on like a little puff. Actually, maybe I'm going to do my eyebrows in the green first. And I'm just going to go in and do a bit up here, but we're actually going to add green to the hairline. Going in with the Jeffree Star Morphe palette. Don't come for me, it is what it is. I need a green eyeshadow, and this is the right kind of green. I have no idea what this shade is called. I'm just going in with the green with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush. So let's like get these guys up here. Oof, she's green. I'm starting in the middle of the brow because I'm going to go a bit darker on the end. Wow, actually, these are really good. I had it for so long and didn't use it because it went on sale. And then Jeffree Star is Jeffree Star. They're really good. No fallout. No fallout. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm gonna get a different angled brush and just spray it with setting spray. And with this Urban Decay little naked palette, and getting that like really dark grey colour. Make this brow darker on the end. Those are some pretty sweet looking brows, like, if I do say so myself. RIP me for having to clean this mess when I come back tonight. This was the other reason why I don't film, because it takes forever and I always end up running late. And then I have to edit it. And then I have to clean up when I get home. It's a real commitment, YouTube, beauty vlogging. I think people don't realise how much of a commitment it is. It's not all like sunshine and rainbows, it's fucking work. Alright, so I'm going to take a bit of that really light concealer on the back of my hand. Getting a really small angled brush. Oh yeah, and I get to clean all my brushes after this as well. Then we can blend this a little, just the edge of whatever's left on the brush. I'm not adding any more eyeshadow. And then I'm just blending this so it's softer. I'm going to blend under the eye as well. I'm just going to like fuse it out, that purple glitter, and make this purple a little bit more intense. And with that hot pink, I feel like you could really easily turn this into a Maleficent makeup. Easily turn this into an Ursula makeup. You could turn this into a Frankenfurter makeup. Like, there's so many things that you could do with this look, actually. This is very versatile. Do whatever you want with it. I'm gonna go in with mascara. And FYI, I'm having to get up every single time I get something, because this is not set up for things to be in front of me. So we really need to rethink the filming setup next time I go to do this. I couldn't actually find my camera charger, and so I wasn't actually sure if I was going to film this or not. I wanted to film it, I just wasn't sure if it was going to actually happen. My skin is horrendous at the moment because I fell asleep with makeup on and my contacts in with my phone in my hand. Adulting's hard. We're going to be doing lips. I'm using this Nutrimetic, like, it's meant to be an eyeliner, but I'm going to use it for my lips because we're going to do a black lip, like a black glitter lip. It's going to be really pretty. I'm going to be using a Kat Von D lipstick. I'm going to be like really refining the shape with this. Oh, so pretty. Then I'm going to go in with my lip brush and like really refine this. With the Serpentina Palette, I'm going in with this green Frost Over the center. Oh my god, it's so pretty. With a tiny little like angled brush, and I'm going to go in with that green that we used before. Go up here. and just go ham. Okay, stop recording. I don't know how much you missed, but I put a bunch of green eyeshadow on my head. And I'm going to put a little bit of green into this contour. It's also giving the Joker. I'll make it with that. That's alright. Very versatile makeup, clearly. I'm going to try and put my costume over my head without getting makeup all over it. We'll see how that goes. I might have to put a bag on my head. Not a plastic bag, a fabric bag. Alright, I'm going to be back in a minute. I don't think I'm going to do lashes. Like, part of me wants to, but then the other part of me, like, I can't be fucked, man. Like, honestly, I really can't. Okay, so I have my shirt on and my wig's on. This is 2 weeks because the length of the green one is just not long enough for me for my very round head. I'm not gonna say I don't. I have a really round head. I was gonna do blush, but I think it needs it. It really needs highlight. I definitely need a highlight. I need something on this inner corner, so let's do that. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte blush palette, all these pinks being side. Now I know, like, if we're dead, we're not going to have colour in our face, but, like, this is a personal choice. I feel like I need the blush. A white highlight, because we're very pale. And so I'm going to get that and go on the inner corner. Oh, that's nice. And then I'm going to use, like, this fluffier brush. I don't know, some, like, private label brand. Bit of highlight here. That completes the look. This actually was really quick to film, surprisingly. I'm going to post what my final outfit looks like here. So stripy jacket that I'm going to wear. I'm going to cinch the waist with the corset. I've got so many accessories to put on. It's going to be so good. And then I'm not looking forward to cleaning my room tomorrow. Because there's stuff everywhere, which is why I hate filming. I may have mentioned it once or twice. Thanks so much for watching my video. Hopefully I will film soon, maybe next month. I'm going to try and film a video a month. I'm going to try. I feel like one a month is way more tangible than that time that I was doing one every single week. I ran myself into the ground. I can't do it. But one a month is pretty doable compared to none at all. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this video and you're hoping to see more, and I'm hoping you'll see more, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Write a comment down below. Chuck me a follow on Instagram. Love Lady Luxe. Thanks so much. It's been real. Ciao. Bye. I love you so much.